Hello students, so we were discussing chemical reactions and equations, and last time we have discussed that how we can balance the chemical reaction. Now look students, now we will start with the types of chemical reactions, and in your syllabus 5 types of chemical reactions are there. So first of all we will start with the first type of chemical reaction, that is combination reaction. Look students, whenever any reaction takes place, substances are going to combine together and are forming a new substances. Okay, but if suppose in a combination reaction, actually what happened, like suppose here one substance is A, another substance is B, and that in a combination reaction means that it is going to form a combined, or it is forming a combined group, that is AB. Means one compound will form that will be combined from a single compound. Means दो compound जो है या दो element या दो atom मिलकर क्या कर रहे हैं, एक जो है compound को बना रहे हैं. और you can say those reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance. Two or more substances combine to form a single substance, that will call combination reaction. Means here we can take the simple one example of magnesium. When you will follow the reaction of magnesium, when magnesium is heated, or we can say combined with the oxygen, then it is forming magnesium oxide. So here you can see that in this reaction two types of elements are there, that is magnesium and oxygen, and these two elements are forming a single compound, that is known as magnesium oxide. And this is actually combination reaction in which two elements are combining together. Like in carbon plus oxygen, when it is going to react together, then it will form carbon dioxide. Okay, so you will see huge examples, so many examples of this combination reaction. Like one example here I want to take. See, I am not taking so much examples. You can go through from your book. So many examples are there. But one example that is very important, which I want to discuss with you, which came in so many exams, like this one. Look student, this is what? Calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is actually known as lime or quicklime. This is very important. You have to remember that this is known as quicklime. Okay, so many times they ask you in a board exam, write the formula of quicklime, then students get confused. So this is your quicklime, okay, or lime, and when it is reacting with water, then combination reaction occurs and it will form calcium hydroxide. Okay, and this calcium hydroxide is actually known as slaked lime. Okay, so this is the slaked lime, this is quicklime, you have to learn. Okay, now what happened? This is important. This reaction is actually why it is important, because you all know that whitewashing means during whitewashing in our house, lime, which is calcium oxide, is put in the drum. Okay, this calcium oxide we are using for the whitewashing. So what happened? This calcium oxide is put in the drum, and when you add water slowly, then it is converted into calcium hydroxide. ओके, तो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड में वो बदल जाता है जब आप उसको पानी डालते हो, एंड दैट इज एक्चुअली एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. जब आप उसको टच करोगे ना, तो यू विल सी दैट लॉट ऑफ हीट इज प्रोड्यूस. सो दिस इज एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन एंड combination reaction also. And what happened? Calcium hydroxide, that is slaked lime, is formed. And what happened afterwards? When you put that calcium hydroxide on the wall, then what happened? After that, when you apply on the walls, okay, it it becomes dry, and when it becomes dry, it reacts with actually what? It reacts with carbon dioxide. So again another reaction is that is calcium hydroxide that is reacting with carbon dioxide, and it will give you calcium carbonate plus water. Means here what happened, this calcium hydroxide is converted into calcium carbonate. So why I am telling you this reaction in a forcefully way, beta, because this is asked us so many times. First of all, remember what is quicklime, what is slate lime, okay, and actually this calcium carbonate is also known as limestone, okay. तो कई बार हम क्या होता है बेटा, ये सब वर्ड्स में बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हैं, तो कहीं लिख लो आप कि किसका क्या फॉर्मूला है, पूछा जाता है कंफ्यूज करने के लिए, इसका फॉर्मूला, इसका फॉर्मूला, इसका फॉर्मूला, ठीक है। और व्हाइट वॉश वाली जो सिचुएशन है दैट विल बी आस्क्ड टू यू पीपल कि क्या होता है व्हाइट वॉश में, क्या क्या कंपाउंड बनते हैं, and you can have so many examples of combination reaction, like ammonia is reacting with hydrogen chloride, then it is forming ammonium chloride. Means two compound or two elements are going to react together and form a new substance, single substance. So that was what? That was combination reaction. Now our the next type of reaction is what? That is decomposition reaction. So students, decomposition, as the word indicates that something is going to decompose. Something is going to decompose means what? That means something is going to break into two. Okay, means ऐसा कुछ होगा कि रिएक्शन में कोई एक कंपाउंड होगा जो क्या होगा, ब्रेक होके टू में बनेगा। जैसे कि सपोज करो मैंने यहाँ पर एक कंपाउंड ले लिया और मैंने कुछ इसको हीट या कुछ भी चीज प्रोवाइड करी, सपोज मैंने इसको हीट प्रोवाइड किया, and it is going to divide into two part, that is known as what? Decomposition reaction. So very simple definition how you can write that those reaction in which a compound splits up into two or more simpler substances are known as decomposition reaction. तो अब वही बात, एग्जाम्पल क्या हो सकता है हमारे पास में कि भाई आपने देखिए एग्जाम्पल, जैसे अब हम ऐसा करते हैं, वो जो स्लेट लाइम हमने लिया था ना कि लाइम जो अपना लाइम स्टोन मैंने आपको बताया था कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, सो टेक हियर कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट ओनली CaCO3, okay, when we provide heat, okay, obviously for decomposition you need to give some sort of conditions, okay, conditions we already discussed. So heat you will provide, then it will form calcium oxide again, okay, means calcium oxide again it will form, then it is going to form carbon dioxide. So here what happened, one simple compound calcium carbonate is converting into two simpler substances or simple compound, or you can say simple element. So this is what actually decomposition, okay. So this actually what happened, you know beta, that calcium oxide is used as a large scale in the manufacture of cement and glass, and calcium lime and that we have discussed already previously कि उसका white wash में रोल है, ठीक है। So actually what happened, this decomposition reaction now, because here heat is useful over here, that's why we are saying that this is thermal decomposition, okay, because heat is used over here, that's why it is known as thermal decomposition. So many examples of this type of reaction also you get from in your book, just go through your book and look students, in NCERT whatsoever examples are there, just you have to learn, क्योंकि reactions लिखने आती हैं कई बार, जैसे कि for example potassium chlorate is there in your book, 2KClO3, okay, that is converted into what, 2KCl plus 3O2. So this is what, again decomposition reaction. Then in ferrous sulfate one case, okay, FeSO4, ferrous sulfate के केस में भी यही होता है, वो ब्रेक होके किसमें, फेरिक ऑक्साइड में कन्वर्ट होता है, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड में और सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड में। अब यहाँ पे one thing I just want to tell you better, because so many chemical reactions are there, and here in many reactions they gave you colors also, like in the ferrous sulfate one case, okay, here I am writing that equation. जैसे कि that 2FeSO4, okay, 2FeSO4 it is converted into Fe2O3, it is and forming sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide, okay. Now actually here you have to learn colors also, because sometimes in lab one that practical one questions are also coming. So FeSO4, actually FeSO4 is of green color, okay, and when it is going to decompose, that ferric oxide will form, that is of brown color, okay. This is of actually brown color. So these color you have to also learn. When what happened when we do practicals also, then in that we will study about that how that in the test tube when you will take ferrous sulfate crystal, means in one test tube you will take ferrous sulfate crystals, and then when you will decompose it, then there is a burning smell of sulfur dioxide you will get, okay. And what is the change of the color means that here green color is converted into brown color because it is converted into ferric oxide. Similarly with lead nitrate also, कि lead nitrate को भी जब अपन decompose करते हैं, then at that time it is converted into lead monoxide plus nitrogen oxide. Means lead nitrate is colorless, और जब वो decompose होता है तो वो किस में convert हो जाता है, येलो कलर के lead oxide में convert हो जाता है, ठीक है। तो ये जो और साथ में फ्यूम्स निकलती हैं किसकी, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड की, आपको साथ में एनसीईआरटी बुक रखनी है, अपनी रिफ्रेशर भी रखनी है, उसमें रिएक्शंस देखते जाइए, दैट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग दैट इज देयर इन योर बुक, ओके। सो लेड नाइट्रेट एंड लास्ट वन थिंग आई हैव ड्रॉन डायग्राम, I know that you have a doubt that why ma'am has drawn this diagram. So this is actually what, this is the experimental setup for electrolysis of water. Means you want to split the elements of water. Water is, you all know, H2O, and हम चाहते हैं that you want to split the water content, means H2 and O. हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन को आप अलग अलग करना चाहते हैं, then how you are going to, that is also example of decomposition reaction. So what you are going to do, you are taking one beaker, you will take one beaker, glass beaker, in that you will add means 2 carbon rod you will add, means carbon rod आप लगाएंगे, एक एनोड की तरह काम करेंगे, एक कैथोड की तरह, and then you will attach it with the help of 6 volt battery, okay. And what happened, this ये जो कार्बन रॉड है जो आपकी, इसके ऊपर you will put the inverted test tube, okay, inverted test tube रख देंगे आप, and then you will fill it with the with water plus सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. वाटर और सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड आपने ऐड किया, और इससे आपको ऐड करने के बाद when you will pass the current, then what happen, because of electrolysis, because of decomposition reaction, this water is going to broken down, means hydrogen and oxygen is going to separate, means and how you will confirm it, means you will get that hydrogen inside these test tube. And look student, one very important thing, so many times it is asked, the ratio will be here 2:1, because H2O is what, here the ratio is what, 2:1. So you will see that the vacant space means आपको यहाँ पर खाली जगह जो ज्यादा दिखेगी वो इस तरफ पे दिखेगी, और इधर आपको थोड़ी कम दिखेगी. Now you want to confirm कि हाइड्रोजन ही है, तो आप क्या करोगे, एक मैच स्टिक लेके जाओगे, then you will see that एक पॉप साउंड आपको वहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस होता है. मीन्स बर्निंग मैच स्टिक आप लेके जाओगे ना, तो that will burn with the pop sound, that will confirm that here hydrogen gas is produced, and here more space is there because more hydrogen is there, because more ratio wise that hydrogen is more, so that's why it is more in amount. So by this way you can you can means electrolyze the water. This is there in your book, so remember, you just go through all these things beta, means you will get the concept very easily. Then electrolysis means by passing current you can means you can decompose the salt also, means NaCl को आप किस में चेंज कर सकते हैं, सोडियम और क्लोरीन में. एल्यूमिनियम एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड को एल्यूमिनियम और ऑक्सीजन में. So this is what decomposition reaction. Okay, so many silver chloride is there, is silver plus chlorine reactions you can have, means you have so many reactions. So this is what this is about, decomposition reaction and combination reaction. So that's all for today, students. Thank you.